Hey everybody, this is my little buddy Bear. He came with me to the Ewok Ramp today. We're going to teach you frontside lip slides. It's a good idea to learn switch rocks, fakie ollie disaster, and frontside disaster first. When you do these tricks, the key is to come in without hitting your back wheels or your back truck. That's called ringing the bell. You don't want to do that because if you do it on a big enough ramp, you're going to be toast. Alright, so let's go through the first three tricks. Once you have the switch rock, the fakie ollie disaster, and the frontside disaster, you're ready. The frontside lip slide is very similar to the frontside disaster. You're basically going to do a frontside disaster with a big angle. When you take that angle, lean back a little bit and really slide that frontside lip slide. Before you stop, pull in and make sure not to ring the bell on your way in. When you pull in, you can adjust your feet so they're back on the tail and you're ready to hit the next wall. All right, let's give this a try. Okay, I think Little Bear's seen enough lip slides to last a lifetime. I hope this trick tip helped, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot for watching. Can you run up the ramp? Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy.